You're not going to need any tricks in the book to attract the person of your dreams. In dating, there's no mind games. There's no, I need to be this cool and that. No. If you're yourself into your purest form, the person who's right for you will come and naturally, organically connect with you. There's no, I'm trying to be a certain way and they're trying to be a certain way. No, it's, I'm me, you're you, and I don't want anything from you. We just gel naturally. Okay, so a few things. First of all, is how do you get to this point? Okay, I'm going to talk about therapists. First of all, therapists are an amazing tool. I've had therapy I went through a hell of a lot in my 20s. I was married and divorced by the age of 25. So I needed one before I got married, then during the marriage, and as it was going to an end, and then to discover my brain. I've been through about 10 in my 20s. The thing about therapists are you have to realize that they're not all knowing. Every therapist has their bias. They're people at the end of the day. They're just a tool that you have to use to let them benefit you. They're just a hammer to help you build a house. They're not the house. So, and also I try not to get too reliant on therapists. I try to be a person who doesn't see my therapist every day I just try to, as most once a week, once every other week. It's too much every week because then it's oh, I can't make a decision until I see my therapist. It's not a good scene. 2, listening to your own voice inside your head. How do you know what you like? You have to know what you like on the inside, the deepest way. Who am I? What do I like? Do I like this person? Do I like that type of person? Do I like a person to treat me like this? Or do I like a person There's so many things you have to know. And you know that with time. And your parents may have their opinions about you and your friends, and it's all about, can you listen to the voice inside your head, know what matches your soul, and know that this person that you're looking at is the right person for you. 3, does this person that you're dating gel with your friends and your family and your universe, and do you fit into theirs? It could be the opposite, where you bring someone in and you lose all your friends. Or it's not what it's about. It's not about losing all of your people in your universe. It's about, this person fits into my world like a glove. I don't believe in the word love. I don't like it. I don't like it in relationships. I don't think it's a valuable word. I think it's a word that confuses us, that makes us think it can mean anything. Oh, I love this person. I love cake. I don't like it. I think it's a word that's just very detrimental to our brain. It's so confusing. I love this person. What does that mean? You know what love is? You should delete that word from your vocabulary in your relationships. It should be words like, I trust this person. Not I love this person. I trust. I respect. I want the best for this person. And this person trusts me, respects me, wants the best for me. Is this person going to bring out the best in me? Do they? If they do, it's probably a good situation. Another thing about marriage I want people to know is marriage does not change people. You will not change anybody. It does not change your relationship. It just makes it work like a bigger version of that. If you have a shaky relationship and you're thinking about getting married, don't get married. It's not going to get better. Trust me. It's just gonna stay there every day. It's not a fantasy that you get married and then you live happily ever after. No, you still have to wake up and look at this person in the face every day and deal with them. And they gotta deal with you. And if you don't like each other that much, it's very bad. I believe you shouldn't have a relationship with someone that you're judging and they're judging you. It shouldn't be a relationship where they're saying, you shouldn't do that, you shouldn't do this. No. You should be in a relationship where you're allowed to be who you are to the fullest extent. No one's judging anybody. Everyone's just bringing the other person a beautiful side. It's not like you shouldn't get this bike or you shouldn't play that game. No, it's not like that. I love you for who you are. You're an adult. You know what's best for you. If you want my advice, I'm here. There's no me controlling the person, and there's no this person is controlling me. It's not what it's about. Another thing you should think about, that this is the person you're choosing to raise your kids. A person that you're going to leave your kids with every day. And is this the person that's going to give your children the same values that you have? Are they going to treat them and raise them the way that you want them to be raised? And finally, there's a great quote from the book The Alchemist, by Coelho, whatever his name is, by The Alchemist. A great quote. It's, when you want something, when you decide something, the whole universe conspires to help you achieve it. I believe in that. I believe that when you're ready to find someone in your deepest soul, and you're not coming from a place of like sadness and depression, you're in a good place, and then like, I'm ready for a person. I'm ready to open my heart and have someone in there. You'll find someone. And if you didn't find that person yet, take your time, be patient. It's not worth sacrificing your happiness for mediocre relationships. It's way better to do it right. And this is the person that's going to be your business partner, your therapist, your best friend. You're going to share meals with this person, go on vacations. This is the most important partnership you can make. So I think do it right, take your time, have fun, enjoy, and just enjoy the journey of all of this. And I wish you best of luck to all of you. And Mizrahi here, over and out.